Hindi mo mapipigilan yung social media na magbomba sa'yo ng negativity. Tama? Whether you like it or not, it's just there. Hindi mo mapipigilan yung kapitbahay mo na nagbubunganga. Tama? Hindi mo mapipigilan yung nasa paligid mo na maghasik ng lagim. Tama? Yung galit nila na damay ka, hindi mo yung mapipigilan. Whether you like it or not, you live in a world where there's plenty of that. The question is, kung hindi mo sila kayang pigilan, paano mo i-prepare ang sarili mo so that as if meron kang blinders, as if meron kang headphones, na kahit anong iba to sa'yo, you can do two things. Ask me what?
Hi, this is Biggs, and let's turn your situation to life coaching lessons.
Number one, you can ignore all the negative things that can